Hello Bladers. Here in Manila, traffic along the roads is rampant, especially on weekdays during business hours. Heavy volume of private cars, buses, and public transportations are seen. With this circumstance, more and more people are using motorcycles. However, regardless if you're a new motorcycle owner or a longtime motorcycle enthusiast, it's important that you have the right tech and gadget on the road. Here is a list of must-haves for every biker. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Motorcycle must-haves for every biker. Number 1. Helmet. Safety comes first. Make sure you have a quality and durable helmet before going on a ride. And it doesn't stop just by having a helmet, but you can choose a design that is both elegant and fashionable. Number 2. Gravity holder phone mount. Mount your mobile phones with a phone mount gadget. Instead of stopping by to check on the map on your phone, it's better that you have it so that it is easier to glimpse on your phone even while on the road. Number 3. Biker gloves. Motorcycle gloves are essential to keep your hands comfortable and protected while driving. It makes gripping the knuckles easy to adjust to. Number 4. Action camera. Record videos, sharp images, and capture moments along the road with an action camera. This gadget is very essential, especially on recording cases of accidents that would need proof. Number 5. Battery charger. Of course, nobody wants a hassle on the road. Charge your batteries in case you're caught in an unexpected situation. Always keep this battery charger at the bunk of your ride and be low battery ready. Number 6. Motorcycle cover. Lastly, protect your bike from the rain, direct sunlight, heat, dust, and other particles that may tarnish and damage the skin of your motorcycle. Take good care of your motorcycle since it serves to get you through the heavy traffic each day. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.